how to report issue or suggestion improvement in Citymapper. Hey guys, in this following video, I'm going to show you the ways to report issue or suggestion improvement in Citymapper. To do it, so first of all, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Then go ahead and log in into your Citymapper app. When you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. Now, while you're on this page, you can navigate to the section or feature where you can encounter the issue or having a suggestion for improvement. You can look for a feedback or contact option within the app. For that case, go to your gear icon and then scroll down a bit and go to contact us button. When you do that, you can just go ahead and select the option that you're having problem with. After that, you can go ahead and select write to us and then accordingly providing the information and all that, and that's basically how you can report issue or suggested improvement in Citymapper. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.